Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your original voices from your video and replace it with another sound by using Kinemaster. Actually Kinemaster is really awesome video editor for Android user, and by using Kinemaster sometimes we want to remove our original voices from our video, right? But sometimes we can't do it. But if you watch this video, that time you will easily learn how to remove your original voices from your video and replace it with another sound. So before starting, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like that video. So let's start. So first of all, you will need to choose your video layer. So I have already choose one kind of video layer. So let me show it. So there you can see I have choose one kind of video. So let me play it first. Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide your emoji. Listen, there is original sound available in my video, right? But right now I want to remove it. So for removing the original sound from your video, just click on the video layer option, and then there you can see the volume option. So click on it and make it 0%. And right now if I play this video, you will be really surprised. So let's play it. And listen, there are no sound available in this video. And right now if you want to choose any kinds of audio, that time there you can see the audio option. So just click on it and choose any kinds of audio from here. So let me choose and right now if you want to decrease this sound, audio sound, that time just click on the arrow option and there you can see the audio option. So just click on the audio option and then click again the volume option and decrease it about 9 to 10%, and after that just play it and listen, the sound volume is decreased. And if you want to add your voice through Kinemaster, that time there you can see the voice option. So just click on it and then click on the start option. If you click on the start option, and your voice will be recorded through Kinemaster. So right now I don't do it because I'm gonna making video right now. So that's it guys. By this process you can replace any kinds of voices with your original voices. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks, do comment, give like and do subscribe.